I let AI manage my kids' school life for 30 days. Every missed deadline was a lot of money, frustration. My wife was angry, my kids were angry. Then I built an AI agent to read all the school emails for 30 days straight, save me thousands of dollars and time, and save our relationships. Stay tuned to watch how I did it. Hey, if you're a busy parent like me, you have a lot of emails from your kids' school like me. Swimming, soccer practice, all these emails. I don't have time to read all of them. So I'm going to quickly show you what the output of our AI agent does. So here's what the output looks like. This is a screen recording from my phone. You can see that instead of reading all the tons of emails, it summarizes what's important, the deadline, the time, what activity it is. These are 2 events I need to sign up for. There's a Zoom class. So if you want to build this, follow this tutorial. You're going to use n8n and AI to build this. So how do you build this yourself? Well, it's really easy. You need to go to the link. I'll attach it at the bottom of this video, where you can go to the n8n templates and just simply click on use workflow and then copy it into your n8n. Once you're in there, open it up, and this is what you should see. Now there's 3 components. High level, what it does is it'll use IMAP to read your emails. When the email arrives, it sends it to AI to interpret, and then it'll send your messaging app a message with a summary. So let's go through each one bit by bit. Email. Now, there's 2 types of emails. There's IMAP and there's SMTP. I like IMAP because you don't need to change your credentials. Of course, in n8n you can use Gmail, but this requires you to renew your credentials and every 30 days, and it's a lot of clicking. So I prefer IMAP. You can just go to credentials, and then you can open the docs, and then you can follow the instructions on how to set this up. Relatively easy. So once you have this set up, you filled it in, it'll automatically have this trigger that notices new emails come along. Then it's going to pass it to the AI. Again, AI, you can use a lot of the AI modules, but in this case, we want to use OpenRouter because OpenRouter has a lot of free models, right? So they have all these models. If I click on free, you're going to see they have Llama, so you don't have to pay for it. And for these simple summary AI agents, you don't really need to use the latest and greatest, most expensive LLMs. You can just use a free one. So in our case, what happens is, come down here, we've already selected the model for you. And then I've also have some AI prompts that I've inputted that basically tells the AI to read all the important emails and summarize it for me. Now, in the workflow, you can modify it, and then you can change the prompt to whatever you want. You can use it for your work. You can use it for all the other things. Just change the AI prompt, and you'll be fine from there. As you can see from here, I want you to read and summarize all the emails. If it's not important, just give me a short summary with less than 10 words. Highlight the important. So you can change this to however format you want to do, right? So if it's for work, you can say, pay attention to emails from my boss, and then you enter your boss's name and their email, and AI will notify that for you. Okay, so once the AI processes the data, now it has to send you a message. In this case, we are sending it to Line Messenger. Yep. And you can use a variety of different messengers, right? You can use WhatsApp, Telegram, but I think Line is just easy for me. And so you can choose whatever you want. And that's how you do it. Really simple, right? You just click on the workflow template, copy it in, add your credentials for your Gmail, add your credentials for your OpenRouter, and then add your credentials for Messenger, and boom, you have a system that reads all your messages, emails for you, and tells you what is important and what is not. I hope you enjoy this. Definitely check out the template. Thank you.